Go.
The name Joaquin Garcia Bárcena González. Date of the birth. January 2nd, 1935. Place of the birth, Mexico City. Profession, paleontology. Important facts. Member of Meat Club of Mexico. Sub-director on paleontology of INA. Was investigator. Important work. He was a teacher at Escuela de Antropología e Historia.
Okay.
Discover ammonites in Sierra de las Navajas Hidalgo. Discovered some fossils in Chiapas and Campeche.
Excellent. So this paleontologist was born in Mexico.
Yes.
And he found some bones in Mexico. In which parts of Mexico?
Chiapas and Campeche.
Excellent. Did you like your work?
Yes.
Very nice. Sit down.